What's up, viewers? How are you guys? So I'm Vidhya and I'm 8 years old. Today we're going to be making cake. And if you don't know how to make a cake, well, you're going to know how today. So these are the ingredients for the cake we're going to need. So we have some devil food cake mix. We have some unsalted dairy butter. We have a cake mold which we can use. 3 eggs and some milk. Now, I know people who are allergic to milk are lactose intolerant, so you can use water as well to make your cake. So we have a mixing bowl and 3 eggs and a fork and the powder. The reason why I chose this is I'm a great fan of chocolate. So now I'm gonna beat these eggs. Hopefully it works. Well. Okay. That's 1 egg done. 2 more to go. So we're gonna need 230 ml, which is milliliters, of water or milk. So guys, as you can see, this entire jug just filled this cup. So now let's pour this in very carefully. Ploppy, plop, 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 plop. Whoa, that's kind of cool. So we're gonna need 120 ml of vegetable oil or melted butter if you don't have any. So let's pour it in. Cut open the cake mix and add it to your mixture. Now we're just gonna put all of it. Oh goodness me. Mamma mia. Now we're gonna put our whisk to the test. And please mix carefully so there are no spills. To be honest, this smells delicious. Make sure you mix until there are no clumps and the mixture is just pouring smoothly. So I've preheated the oven to 160 degrees. You can see in the meantime, while the oven heats, we're gonna grease the mold. So I'm using this melted butter, so let's do this. Now, let's pour the cake mix into our cake mold. Now we're gonna tap the cake mix to avoid any bubbles. As you can see, I've got my middies on and we have the cakes in the oven. And this is how it turned out. Delicious. So, let's get to the decorations. Let's do the icing. This is how it looks after we put the icing. It looks so smooth and delicious. So, comment down below which of these toppings would you use. So I'm gonna be using these candy decorations. It is saying it is called Crazy Faces. Wow, wow, whoa. So I'm gonna be putting one of these. It's so cool. So let's put it. I'm putting the hearts as the unicorn here. What do you guys think? Comment down below. And by the way, I'm using Fairy Mix. It has 4 colors, one with sprinkles, these hearts, these little dots, and the pearls. Okay, so hopefully you guys like this type. Now it's time to add some. Ta-da! So this is how my cake turned out. It's fabulous. And so we're gonna be taste testing it. This is so cool. So as you can see, what I added here is some ears, a horn, eyes, and a mouth, and some of these. And it just looks so overwhelming to me. And this looks super tasty and appetizing. Not sure about you guys, but comment below which toppings would you add to a cake.